So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB biology exam revision series, we're going to check out 9 repeated questions in your biology exam. Specifically, we are going to check out questions on the topic excretory products of plants. So guys, in short, to stay till the end of this video. Also, I believe you already know what to do in any case. When you feel you want to answer the question before we provide the answer, you can simply pause the video and then try out to see if you can get the answer to the question before we provide the answer thereafter. So guys, let's start with the first question here. The question says, excess water in plants is excreted as water vapor and droplets respectively through A. Respiration and guttation, B. Photosynthesis and guttation, C. Transpiration and guttation, D. Guttation and condensation. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, and that's transpiration and guttation. Excess water is excreted or removed as water vapor and droplets respectively through transpiration and guttation. Actually, transpiration is the removal of excess water from plants in form of water vapor into the atmosphere. So guys, let's look at the next question, and that's question number 2. The question says, the waste product of plants used in the conversion of hide to leather is A. Tannin, B. Gum, C. Resin, and D. Alkaloid. So guys, the answer to this question is tannin. Tannin is a type of polyphenolic compound that is found in various plant tissues and is used in the conversion of animal hides into leather. So this process is actually known as tanning. So guys, let's look at the next question, and that's question number 3. The question says, which of the following is an excretory product produced by the human body? A. Urea, B. Oxygen, C. Glucose, D. Calcium. So guys, the answer to this question, like you must have guessed rightly, is option A, and that's urea. All the other options here are not excretory products. The body actually needs oxygen, it needs glucose, it needs calcium, so it does not excrete them. But then urea is an excretory product. So guys, let's look at the next question, and that's question number 4. It says, which of the following is not associated with excretion in plants? A. Lenticels, B. Guard cells, C. Glomerulus, D. Stomata. So guys, the answer to this question is glomerulus. Glomerulus is not associated with excretion in plants. So guys, glomerulus is actually associated with excretion in animals. So specifically, the glomerulus is a network of capillaries that is found in the kidneys. Basically, it's found in the Bowman's capsule of the kidney, and that's what helps to filter urine into the renal tubules, the tubules of the nephron. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, and that's glomerulus. Glomerulus is not associated with excretion in plants. So let's look at the next question, and that's question number 5. It says, which of the following is a waste product commonly excreted by animals? A. Oxygen, B. Water, C. Glucose, D. Carbon dioxide. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a waste product excreted by animals. Oxygen is not a waste product of animal. Water and glucose are not waste products of animals. So remember, when we breathe in oxygen. When we breathe out carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is a waste product that is excreted by animals. So let's look at the next question, and that's question number 6. It says, which of the following waste products in plants is excreted through the stomata and lenticels? So we have A. Alkaloids, B. Anthocyanins, C. Tannins, and D. Carbon dioxide. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's the carbon dioxide. The waste product that is excreted through the stomata and lenticels in plants is the carbon dioxide. Stomata and lenticels are tiny openings in the pores in plant tissues that allow them to actually exchange gas. This opening or pores in plants allow them for gas exchange. So that's it. Option D is the correct answer to this question. So let's look at the next question. That's question number 7. It says, the waste product of plants used in the conversion of hide to leather is A. Tannin, B. Resin, C. Alkaloid, D. Gum. So guys, already we've answered this question right before now, and we already know that the answer to this question is option A, and that's the tannin. So guys, the next question here is question number 8. It says, which of the following is not an excretory product in plants? A. Tannin, B. Alkaloid, C. Gum, D. Sweat. So guys, like we already know, the sweat is not an excretory product in plants. Sweat is usually produced in animals. So through the skin, that's where the sweat is produced. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. Tannin, alkaloid, and gum are excretory products in plants, but not sweat. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's sweat. So let's look at the next and the last question, guys. That's question number 9. It says, which of the following mechanisms is involved in excretion in plants? A. Diffusion, B. Transpiration, C. Active transport, D. Osmosis. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's transpiration. Excretion in plants primarily occurs through the process of transpiration, and in this process there is loss of water vapor from the aerial parts of the plants, and there is also escape of gases. So guys, this process is actually the process that is involved in excretion in plants. So guys, this will be the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any question regarding this video, please drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to enable us to reach out to more people. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.